Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my long-awaited fall clean and decorate with me video, and I'm so excited to finally have this video go up. It was supposed to go up actually a few days ago, but I had a bunch of computer issues, so that's why you guys haven't seen any videos from me in a couple of days. But I'm finally getting this one up, and I'm so excited because fall is my favorite season. Halloween is my absolute favorite holiday, and I'm so excited to decorate for it this year. So as you can see, I'm just going through and showing you a bunch of the befores. We have a ton of cleaning motivation in this video, so be sure to drop me a thumbs up if you needed the cleaning inspiration and you got it in today's video. We are pretty much just going to focus on the three main rooms in my house: the kitchen, dining area, and the living room today. And we are going to start out by cleaning the kitchen. So I'm just going ahead and just trying to clear off everything off of my countertops. That obviously is what has to be done first, because otherwise you will not have anywhere to work. So I'm going ahead and getting all the dishes ready, and I'm going to end up loading my dishwasher and just cleaning off the countertops and just getting everything nice with nothing on it, getting myself a nice clean slate so that I can put my decorations there.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I would love to know what your guys' worst chores are. Mine is doing the dishes by hand, and I used to really love doing laundry, but now I really don't like it. And I think it's because my laundry room is in the basement. So I just find it to be such a pain in the butt to have to go and actually go downstairs and do my laundry, which is so dumb because it's not that far. It's not like my house is that big. But I don't know. I just don't really like doing laundry anymore either. And I find that I just let it pile up until I have so many loads. But definitely hand washing dishes is probably my worst chore. That and I guess cleaning the bathroom. Really, the more that I'm talking about this, the more that I'm realizing that I shouldn't even really be doing a cleaning channel because apparently I don't like cleaning. But I actually do like cleaning. I don't know, but definitely I think dishes are the worst for sure. Now, this table, as you can see, is an absolute disaster, and I had done a bunch of different shopping, and I just had a bunch of stuff that I had brought in from my car and just tossed it on top of the table. So that was the end result, was it looking like that. So it was time to clear that off and get everything clean so we could actually use the table that night.
In London, drunk at night. In LA, picking fights. I think we have done it all. She knows me in and out. Love of a different kind, but we still have no control. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers. On the weekend, on the weekend, no, we don't like to talk. We're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers. On the weekend, on the weekend, will we hang on, or will we end just like this? Will we?
Okay, so now as you can see by my change in outfit, it is the next day. Like I said, I just couldn't get everything finished on that first day, so I just went ahead and started decorating the second day. And what I'm doing is I'm actually just going through and taking out all of my decorations and laying everything that I have out on my table. If you are able to do this, I think that that is probably the best practice because that way you can see everything that you have and you're not overlooking anything. And then I just kept continuing to go back to my table every time I needed a new decoration, and I'd like swap things out and see what I all had. So that is my number one decorating tip for the holidays. And for those of you that don't know, I actually am a certified interior designer. That's what I did before I had my son. I was a designer at Ashley Furniture and I did the showrooms there. So that was a lot of fun. I worked there for about 7 years. And then once I had my son, I decided to stay home. And as you may or may not know, I've just recently opened a daycare in my home now so that I can continue to stay home with him. But I definitely do miss interior design quite a bit. It was a lot of fun. And I really, really enjoyed it. So I love getting to do videos like this. And that's why I'm always constantly changing things in my house as well, is because it's fun and it's like my background, right? It's what I'm used to doing. So yeah, definitely let me know if you want to see more videos like this because I really, really enjoy making them. And what you will notice is I left in a lot of kind of the process clips, if you will. I wanted to show you basically my process, and that is constantly changing things. Like I'll put something there and then I'll like take it away and try something else in that spot. And it just kind of, you go back and forth and you step back and you look at it and something's not right about this. So then you put something else there and you just keep going until you find the right combination of items. Typically when you're decorating, you want to be decorating in clusters, usually of odd numbers. So in numbers of 3 or 5, 7 is a little bit much, but usually 3 or 5 is kind of what you want to strive for. It just looks better, like an odd number, if that makes sense at all.
Still want me, and we will never be apart. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. You and me now. I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. You and me because it's you and me now. I thought about staying home, but I have been down the road. I hope you can forgive me, and it's you and me now. You and me now. You and me now. You and me now.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high, 'cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did.
Okay, you guys, so I have finished decorating. I didn't decorate 100%, as you're gonna see, well, as you've already seen. There was a bunch of decorations that I ended up putting back into my bin just because I was so iffy on whether I wanted to decorate for Halloween this early. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I just wasn't too sure. My initial plans were to decorate just for fall, but then I realized I didn't have enough. So I went ahead and put out some of my Halloween stuff, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to do all the outside stuff at a later date, a little bit closer to Halloween. So I'm not going to hang my wreaths or anything on my door, and like all the window clings and stuff like that. I'm going to wait until closer to Halloween. So I'll probably maybe put that up on my Instagram. So if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's just Holly Christine on YT. I will have it linked in the description box below as always. So definitely go and follow me over there because I will probably have it maybe up in my stories or something like that if you want to see. So I'm going to go through and show you what everything ended up looking like, and I'm really happy with it all. It's like really cute, and it's just enough to make it start to feel like fall and Halloween, but not too over the top yet. So let's see what I ended up doing. So starting off with my bookcase, I ended up hanging up these little lanterns, and I think they are just so cute. They are just my favorite things. I've actually had these since I was a kid, and I've kept them. I just love them. And then over here, I've got this little green jack-o'-lantern guy with a little candle holder. And then I've got this little trio up here. So there's like two little candle holders there, one with the ghost, one with the little vampire bat. So stinking cute. So I really just wanted, like, I put kind of more the fun stuff over on my bookshelf. Down here we've got the witch's book. And then over here, little skull, little witch. So just enough that you can tell it's festive, it's fun, but it's not too crazy, not too overbearing. And then over here on my end table, I don't know how well these are going to do, you guys, with with my son, but the last couple of years I haven't been able to put any decorations out on my tables just because he plays with them, and the kids definitely use this table to play at, so I'm not going to put anything over there. But then I've also got these guys over here, and you guys probably saw me do this, but with signs like this, I have so many signs and not enough wall space, so I just put a candle or you just put something behind it and just lean it up against. Then over here on my little command station, I just wanted to add a little bit of the fall decor into what I already have existing. So I really like to try to keep as much as I possibly can and just add some little touches in so that it still looks pretty. Like it's not overwhelming. It's just a little touch. Right, and now over here on my table, all I did was I just added in this little sign and this little pumpkin, and I put this kind of fall colored table runner on there as well. Just adds a little something. So I think it looks really good. And the colors there on the bottom of the table runner kind of pick up in the Starry Night painting as well. So I think it looks really good. And the last little area here is just over here in my kitchen in this little corner. And I've just got the candle, fall scented candle, little mummy there, this little lantern, the little Hello Fall sign, and a little pumpkin. So in this area, I kind of combined Halloween and fall, but I think it worked really well. You guys, that is it for my fall ultimate clean and decorate with me. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these seasonal decorating videos, because Christmas is coming up and I absolutely go all out for Christmas. I have a million Christmas decorations. So I think definitely this year, probably towards the end of the season, once everything comes on sale, I'm going to go and stock up on some more fall and Halloween decor, because a lot of the decor that I have is like kind of cheaper stuff and like not necessarily tacky, but yeah, kind of tacky. So I want to like get more nice decorations. So we'll see. Maybe I'll find some sales towards the end of the season and stock up for next year. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.